Come test drive the 2019 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, fog lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.